Hello students, welcome to Vipin Sharma Physics channel and Physics Totka today on electromagnetic induction. It's a question. There is a transformer whose primary number of coils are 100 and current given to primary is say 2 ampere and voltage given is 110 volt, right? Input volt. Now, question is, what are the number of secondary turns? And current is say 3 ampere and output voltage is 110 volt. Now, the primary is connected to unidirectional source of current, and secondary is there for output. So what should be the number of turns in secondary, and primary is already mentioned 100. Now students, you will be using the concept of the transformer and you will be calculating number of secondary turns, certain values, but the answer is just infinity, because the transformer does not function on unidirectional current, means direct current. It is meant for only what? Variable current, alternating current. So this question is very famous, generally asked, and I have explained just in few seconds or few minutes whatever is there, right? Thank you.